Have you ever heard the term where focus goes, energy flows? I'm going to explain why in this video. Welcome back to another video. I'm Maximilian. I have entrepreneurs reprogram my mind, empower their lives for success, happiness, fulfillment, abundance, you name it, I do it, and confidence. What does this mean? Where focus goes, energy flows. It's something we have in our brain called the RAS, the reticular activating system. Now, this is where people understand where the law of attraction actually can come from. What you focus on is where your energy goes to, which allows it to manifest. So what is the RAS? How does this work? What happens is, when you want something, your focus goes there. So which means you put energy there. And for example, I'll give you a great example right now. Whenever you are looking straight ahead, you always see your nose. Notice how that now I've said that, you start to see your nose, ever so slightly. Some of you may see it, some of you may have a big nose, I don't know, I've got quite a big nose, so I can see it. But where your focus goes, your energy flows to. If I said to you right now, feel your right foot, you didn't feel that until I said that, because now your focus is there, so your energy goes there. Have you ever wanted a new car, phone, piece of clothing, pair of shoes, watch, I don't know, whatever it is, and notice that you always see that exact one out every day? Every day. What's the difference? Because that car doesn't just suddenly appear now that you want it. That bit of clothing doesn't just suddenly appear. It was always there. But your energy is focused on that specifically. And it's like this. You want something. You desire something. The RAS kicks into gear and says, this is what I want. That's that Range Rover that I want. That's that Range Rover that I want. Oh my god, I keep seeing this Range Rover that I want. What a coincidence. It was always there, but your energy is now focused on it. And the more you focus on it, the more you feel the emotions. Going back to another video that I posted about manifestation, I will link to it in this video. You can understand how to manifest anything in your life very easily and very simply. But it doesn't actually, it's not actually as hard as you think it is. All you need to understand is where focus goes, energy flows. If you focus on being happy, excited, joyful, abundant, your energy is going towards that. Smart, eh? If you focus on anxiety, depression, worry, fear, stress, pain, anger, guilt, shame, your mind is going to that. Where do you want your mind to go? Where? This isn't down to me, this is down to you. I'm here to, I'm walking you towards a door, I'm offering you the two doors. Where would you like your mind to go? If you wanted to go to the happy one, the confident, the abundant, whatever it is, start putting your focus and intention on exactly that. How would it feel to already have this in your life? How would it feel to already be happy? How would it feel to already be confident? How would it feel to have the love of your life in your life? How would it feel to have all the material manifestations that you want in life? Remembering that happiness is the only thing we need, and happiness comes from the heart. Focus on happiness, not material stuff. The material stuff will come after, and it's just a bonus, it really is. It won't make you happy, I promise you. Act upon it. Act upon it. From that state of feeling. Activate the brain, activate the RAS, boom, into gear. Right, perfect. Where do I want to go? Where do I want to go? Like a homing device. Where do I want to go? Where do I want to go? That's it, happiness. Right, how do I get to happiness? Right, let me draw the path to happiness. Okay, there's a roadwork there. I need to divert and go around it. Your mind will always come up with the answers. You know every single answer. If you want to heal yourself, you know the answer. If you want to be happy, you know the answer. You want to be confident, you know the answer. The only difference is our conscious mind, which runs 5% of our life, is clouding our judgment constantly. How do you get around this? Deep hypnosis, deep meditation. Healing and understanding from the past. When you take the emotional connection out of that experience, that pain, that anger, that guilt, you take the emotional connection out of it and you understand it logically, that's where you've gained yourself wisdom. Because wisdom can't be gained with an emotional connection attached to it. Once you gain the wisdom from it, that's when you can start learning the lesson to be like, that didn't happen because of this. This is sort of backtracking from the video, sort of going a bit, diverting from the main point of the video, but understanding where focus goes, energy flows. Focus on something that you desire in life. Don't focus on a purple elephant. You're now focusing on a purple elephant. You have to first focus, then not focus, if I say that. So don't focus on how can I not be depressed, focus on how can I be happy. Don't focus on how can I not be unconfident, or shy, focus on how can I be confident. Does that make sense? I hope so. It's a very simple concept, and really understanding where focus goes, energy flows. And the greatest example, like I said, focus on your knees right now. You can feel your knees. I know you can feel your knees. Because even if you wanted to try and not focus on them, first you had to put the energy there from your consciousness, let's say here, to your knees. Right now, I'm not going to focus on them, back up. But you still focus on them because your intention's there. You're trying to not focus on something which makes you focus on it. Remember this one, it doesn't make sense, it makes sense. Within reason. But I hope this video has given you some information, some knowledge that you can start using in your life and understanding where focus goes, energy flows. I hope you, my friend, are having a beautiful day. I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope you've learned something from this video. If you have learned something from this video, you leave a like, leave a comment, send me a message on Instagram if you've got any questions about it at all. And if you want some more hypnosis, send me a message. Let's do some hypnosis. Let's change your life. Let's reprogram your subconscious mind. Have an amazing day. Keep smiling, spreading love, kindness, and so much positivity.